Getting a file upload failure on Claude AI stops your workflow dead. But it is usually a simple fix involving your file's identity or your browser's memory. You are seeing that red error message because the system is either overwhelmed or your file is breaking a specific rule you didn't know existed. I am going to show you exactly how to bypass these errors right now. And if you stay until the end, I will share a specific trick for pro users that lets you bypass conversation limits entirely, so you never hit a wall during a long project. The reason this happens is basically a digital handshake failure. Claude is trying to read your data while your browser or network is throwing up a wall. Think of it like trying to post a letter through a mail slot that is too small or taped shut from the inside. First, you need to look at the name of your file. If it has hashtags, spaces, or weird symbols, Claude might reject it instantly. Rename it using only simple letters and numbers. Next, make sure you are using a supported format like a PDF, a docx, or a standard TXT file. If you are trying to upload a weird system file or a specialized data format, it will fail every single time. Now, check the size of the file. Claude has a hard limit of 30 megabytes. If your document is a massive scan, you need to compress it or split it into two smaller parts before you try again. While you are at it, check your internet connection. If you are using a VPN or a proxy, turn it off for a moment. These often interfere with the upload stream and cause the failed message. If the file itself is perfect but it still won't go through, the problem is your browser. Refresh the page first. If that fails, go into your settings and clear your cache and cookies. This forces the browser to start a fresh connection with Claude's servers. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, as older versions struggle with the way Claude handles data. If you see a rate exceeded error, that means you have uploaded too much in a short window. Simply wait 10 minutes or start an entirely new chat to clear the current memory. For the persistent errors that won't go away, try the Claude desktop app or a different browser entirely to see if the issue is isolated to one program. Now for that pro tip I mentioned. If you are a pro or team user, stop uploading files directly into the chat box for big projects. Instead, use the Claude Projects feature and upload your documents into the project knowledge base. This doesn't just keep things organized, it actually bypasses the standard per-conversation caps, allowing you to work with much more data without hitting those annoying limits. You now have every tool needed to fix these upload glitches. If nothing works, check status.claude.com to see if the entire system is down, but otherwise, these steps will get you back to work.